Hey everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. I want to welcome back all those new subscribers we've got, and for those of you who have yet to subscribe to us, welcome. It's summertime, it's warm, and we need something to drink on a warm day. Whether you're sitting by the pool, whether you're sitting on the boat, whether you're sitting on the beach, or you're sitting in the Drunken Sailor bar. So, let's get pouring. We're going to start making today's cocktail, the Rum Punch. We're going to take our shaker glass, and we are going to start with freshly squeezed pineapple juice, 2 ounces. We're freshly squeezing this because you know fresh is best. So that's going 2 ounces into the glass. Next in there, we are using freshly squeezed orange juice. We're going to use 1 ounce of orange juice there. Third fresh juice in there, we're using freshly squeezed lime juice. We're going to use 1/4 ounce. And 1/4 ounce is going in there. Now for the good stuff. We're using rum. Today we're using 2 kinds of rum in this. You can use whichever flavors you like, but you want to use a light rum and a dark rum. We're going to start off with 1.25 ounces of Bacardi White. And that goes in there. Next, 1.25 ounces of Bacardi Gold. Now, we are going to get some nice crushed ice. And we're going to put it in our shaker tin. The more ice you put in there, actually gets your drink colder faster, and it doesn't dilute as much so that you're getting the full flavor of your cocktail. So about 3/4 of the way filled with ice. And we're going to give it a good shake to chill it. Ooh, you got all that nice fresh smell in there. This is smelling good. Next, we're going to take a hurricane glass. We've had that chilled, but we're going to put about 3/4 of that full with crushed ice again. And now we strain. We're not done yet. One last ingredient, homemade Grenadine. This stuff is so much better than that stuff you buy in that little red jar at the grocery store. You're going to pour that in there. Watch it drop to the bottom. Almost ready for that tasting part. We are going to garnish. We are using 1 orange wheel with a cherry and the straw, and that is today's Rum Punch.
How is it?
It's mine.
Oh, I'd like a taste, please.
It's mine.
Very good.
So do you want it on the boat, on the beach,
The boat,
at
please.
the pool?
I'll do it the boat.
The boat. There you go, folks. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe and drink responsibly.